friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Well, I said that I was waiting for the mailman to come to deliver me my Milani goods, and in this little box it came. I did not open it up yet, but I also got my shipment from Monat, so I thought, well, I'll just do a tiny little haul with the two of those, because many of you asked me if I'm still using Monat, and I do. But let's get to the Milani, because that's what I'm sure most of you are excited about. Okay, it comes packaged really nice. Okay, so let's see. These are the palettes that some of you were asking me about, and many of you said that some people give them a review saying they are comparable to some of the most expensive ones. Well, I'm here to see for you. All right, so I got them both. There was only two, and they are, let's see, this one is Most Loved Mattes, #1. So let's take a look-see. Got to get my little scissors. Hang on. Hang on. We got to get my little scissors. And let's cut that seal. The packaging's pretty. The box is pretty. So let's see. Okay. Nice gold packaging. Gonna blind you all. And let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, very, very pretty. Look at that. Very beautiful. It has your pink tones, it has more neutral tones, and it has your more red tones. Beautiful. Let's take some quick swatches on them. This right here, and they give you on the back, they give you the names of all of them, which is nice for us when we're doing, I'm looking for my zoom lens, hang on. Which is the rows, daytime, anytime, playtime. And they are the Most Loved Matte palette, takes you from daytime to playtime with rich, buildable neutrals. All right, so let's take a look and see. I'll just go, let's see, how should we do this? Oh, I'm so excited for you. All right, we'll just do it like this. I'll take swipes. This is of the playtime, which of course are my most favorite, but with my hair changing, that will have to change. Okay, so it is the last row with the rust, and that's what they look like on my finger. And here are swipes of them on my hand. So let me take a look and see. Well, so far, first glance, they blend nicely. I'm just gonna take one color right now. The rust. We'll take the rust, and they do blend nicely. They're very soft. They don't have a lot of fallout on my fingers. Now, of course, when I'm doing a tutorial, that may all change. So let's not get too excited until we know for sure. I'm going to get a paper towel right here, and I'm going to wipe this off, and we'll go to the second row. So the second row is more of the purple plums. So I'm going to do the dark one. Yeah, these are they're very soft. I'm gonna say something that they feel a lot like the BISOUS on my fingers. Okay, so there are those, and let's see. And that's what they look like on. And I'm going to go ahead and that is a chocolatey brown mauve. And then the next one, and then of course the neutral. Very pretty. I'm going to do some eye looks with these, my friend. I'm actually kind of excited about them. They're coming off as pretty nice. So let's see the next row, and that will be this one here, which is the daytime. And I'm going to go with the light, peachy, the next one, and then we'll go to the next. The only one that feels kind of dry when you touch it is that very last chocolate one. All right, so that's what they look on the fingertips. And let me do them here. There you go. Those are really nice. Really nice. I'm really impressed. Very, very nice. Those are the colors. Nice color payoff. Not like those MUA that I was using, those makeup artist ones. Oh, those were the worst. Okay, so that is that palette. The colors are all very pretty. Let me come close for you. That is what they look like. I don't remember how much they cost, but when you sign up to their email, they give you immediately 15% off. So everything I got in the box, I do remember, was $69, okay? All right, so that is the nudes. Now the next one is number 2, Bold Obsessions. So let's take a look at this. All right, again, now this, the back says sunrise, sunset, nightfall. And each color has a name, okay, which I like. Okay, so that, let's come close so you can see it first. That's what that looks like. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me wipe my hand up. Okay, so let's start with the first row here. Nice and soft. Very creamy. They are satin finishes. The only one that's a little bit drier is the darker color. And that is what they look like on the fingers. So we'll do the swatch right here. Very nice color payoff. That's the only one that's a little bit dry. These are very, very creamy. Okay, so I'm going to leave those there instead of wiping them off. And then we'll go right next to them with the next row. Now the next row, you get an assortment of a little bit more vivid color. Okay, very creamy, except, okay, so now the gold that I just put my finger in, there is a tremendous amount of kick up with it. So they are very soft, so you go with a very light hand on those. And then the last one is a matte. So in the row, there are 3 satin, 1 matte. Okay, so that's what they look like on the finger. And let me put it right here to show you. You see the gold? There's a lot. That one's going to have some fallout. So go very gentle with it. Okay, but very pretty colors. Okay. Oh, I wiped it off. I wasn't thinking. I'm so excited. I wiped it off, my friends. Okay, well, just forgive me. I'm going to do tutorials. Okay, so the next row we're going to do is here. Now, this is probably the only row that I will not use a lot. Okay, nice and soft, matte, and then we have a satin finish, and then we have a matte. Now, they are all very neutral, a little bit to the taupey gray side and blue. But I'm going to go right here with these. And that is what they, look at the color payoff you get out of that black. Okay, so very excited and happy about that. So for those of you who mentioned those to me, because I did not know they exist, because I don't watch every single YouTube channel. And to be honest with you, I watch mostly vegan channels, vegan food, cooking channels, and of course I have my favorites that I watch no matter what kind of video they put out. But I don't watch every single beauty channel out there, you know, because most of them are too young for me. Although there are a couple young girls I will watch, but you know, I have to make tweaks in everything they're doing, but I just like their personalities or, you know, things like that. All right, so this was another one suggested. Someone said, oh, you have to get this blush. So I did. And it is Tropicalia? No, Luminoso. One of you said, oh, you got to get the Luminoso. So let's take the seal off. Okay, so this is Luminoso. Luminoso? Let me see. Let me get my zoom lens. Luminoso. Okay, number 5. All right. And that is what it looks like. Let me come up here. Okay. And now I will put it on my finger. It's peachy. And that's what it looks like on the hand. It's a little peachy pinky, a little bit too bright for me, but I can warm it up with a bronzer. And it comes with a little brush underneath, okay? So that one, it's very pretty, but it is a little too bright for me as a blush, but I can easily put it over a bronzer or mix them. 3 more things in my bag. Okay, so what else did I get here? I got there, let's see. I forget what I ordered. This is the Translucent Banana, Milani. It's a new powder by them. And this is their banana, which is yellow. And I thought, I'll try it. Why not? The other powders I didn't know. Okay, this one is sealed. So I'm gonna wait till I do a tutorial for this, but it's a, let me see. Let me take the seal off and see. Okay, here we go, we got it. It wasn't so hard. I hate to waste time doing all this stuff. Okay, let's put a little bit of that. Okay, so it comes out very much a banana color. It's very, very, very finely milled. Little bit is needed. That's way too much, and it would be way too much for the face. But let me take a brush and sweep it away to see. It's very, very finely milled. It would be very nice for an aging face. I'm not sure that banana color would be right for everybody, but I'm gonna give it a try in a tutorial, and we'll talk about it more then, okay? All right, then I wanted to try one of their foundations, and because they were giving me 15% off, I thought, why not? But of course, online, it's always hard to pick the right color. And I got 5 warm beige because it just looked like the right color. So let me go ahead. I'm just gonna take the tube out because to sit there and pump it up. Okay, I think it's gonna be an okay color for me. And I haven't heard, like I said, I don't watch everybody, but I haven't heard anything on this foundation. It's a little thicker, it has a beautiful finish, and it's perfect in color for me for the summer. But it has a nice soft glow to it. Oh, it has a beautiful finish, beautiful. Okay, all right, now we're on the last little, and they sent me some goodies, some samples too. They sent me their primer, and their correcting primer, and then they sent me another of the primer. And then I think I ordered what I bought the Bronze Burst. So I'll have 2 of the Bronze Burst now blush, and I'll just send this to Florida. But that's it for my Milani order. I'm very excited. Tutorials will come. If you're using the eyeshadows, let us know what you think, and the foundation. And really, really, pretty for swiping. Now we'll see how they work. And then let's see, what did I get from Monat? I don't know. Oh, with Monat, okay, I ordered, so in my little box here, I ordered an aftershave moisturizer for Louis because he loves this, and he didn't need the whole system. And then I got us another Renew shampoo. I bought 2 of the Renew shampoo, and that's it for my Monat order. Okay, so that is it. I'm really excited. And the only reason I'm showing the Monat is so many people, I mentioned it in the beginning, ask me, do you still use the Monat? I do. I feel Monat is superb for scalp health. It is great. I use other products on the end because my hair is drier, but for my scalp, it's amazing. It's just amazing. I love it. I think my hair is healthy. It's growing quickly, especially with all this white. You can see all the white that's coming out in just, you know, a little bit of time. It's just really, I think January was the last time I put dye around my hair here. And look how much my hair has grown. So that's why I'm showing the Monat. Look for tutorials soon. Okay, my friends? Okay, so let us know if you're using these palettes and what you think of them. Okay, my battery's running out, so I gotta shut my yak. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We're living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.